I'm going to show you in this tutorial how to fill a vector in Figma. So welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you're gonna find this video helpful. So let's jump right into this video without wasting any second. And subscribe to my YouTube channel for more Figma tutorials. So now I'm gonna click on here, File. I'm going to select here, Place Image. Here I'm going to select a vector image. So I have this vector image. You can click on image, place image there, and you can place a vector image. No worries there. And now here, as you can see, I have this shape here. You can also create, of course, a shape with the pen tool. You can also create a shape with the pen tool, but I'm just gonna show you. Let's press V to selection. So now we can select, and now I have this vector. I can edit this vector, of course, but what I want to show you is I don't have fill now here because I removed the fill from here, but I can click on this plus and add actually a stroke. So now I have a stroke. It's just that the color is black. So let's change to white, and now I have the stroke is white. I can also go back and now add a fill. Click on this plus, and now we have a fill. We can change the color, any color we want. You can change and click on here and add a gradient. You can also add an image, choose image, and here you can choose an image. So now we have an image inside this stroke, this shape. We can also grab from here just a letter from here. So I'm gonna select this one. I'm gonna just grab this letter here, and I'm gonna show you a nice effect that you can do with this. So now this letter is black, but we can change the color from here, any color we want. We can hide, we can remove this one, add another fill, or remove, or add stroke, and now we have stroke. And here you see this arrow pointing left and right, and if you click and then drag with your mouse left and right, you can add a stroke pretty fast. I really like this with dragging, it's helpful, and it's good to click on here. And now here you have more options. You can click on join, you can click on round, you can click on meter, and you can change this meter angle. I like rounded, and you can also change to dash or solid. All right, perfect. But now here I would like the stroke to be black and also the stroke to remove the stroke. And now I'm going to select the image. I'm going to go to fill here, image, choose an image, select this one, and now here I have an image inside this letter, but you can't really position the image the way you want. So there is actually another strategy, or another way to do this. So we're gonna go here, go to file, and then place image. I'm gonna grab this image, just add this image nicely like this. Now I have this image here. Let's actually resize the image. I have the image and the letter, highlight both, and then we can right click and select use as mask. And now what is nice is that you can still move this image and position the image the way you want. And now you can still add a stroke but it's just gonna look like this. Just know you can also change this to stroke inside, but another thing that you can do here, which is important, is to select this to outside. And now when you add stroke, doesn't really work because it's a mask. But yeah, now of course you can go take a letter here and remove the fill and add a stroke to this letter and add a stroke outside and increase the stroke. That's gonna work, but for this one I don't think there's any workaround because this is just a mask now. And yeah, you can add a stroke inside, not inside here, but well, that's something you can do if you want to. You can decrease the transparency. You can again add some you can add some a gradient and then maybe just increase this, and now is you have this dark and kind of layer applied to it, and you can change this, which is, if you ask me, this looks quite interesting. Remove this one, add only this one, let's say kind of like this, darken this portion. So yeah, there's a lot of effects you can create now, but I think that's quite helpful when you create this. When you're designing a website, and it's quite helpful to learn all these strategies, all this I think it's gonna help so to make your design look better. So just remember, all you have to do is to go here and fill, and here in stroke, and fill and remove the fill, and now you have only stroke. Add stroke. You can add multiple strokes, as many as you want here. You can add a lot of stuff. Control plus Z to remove. So that's what I was showing you here, that you can add a lot of strokes, which is quite helpful. And create the pen tool, create a shape, and now you have a shape here. You can go and add a stroke. We have this stroke here. Change the color, is a vector, of course. So yeah, I hope you found this helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and Control plus A and then press delete, so you can delete vectors and everything else. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.